how to deal with children's anger. In times like these, where we are restricted to our homes and limited recreational activities, all of us are showing our anger in one or the other ways. Our kids are also getting angry at all this. They are getting more aggressive, violent, disobedient. They use bad language. They get cranky often. And they have become very demanding. These are some, not all, of the negative behaviors they are showing. So, apart from the burden of our office work, home chores, and kids' studies, we are experiencing this big burden of correcting them so many times in a day. And we often try to escape from it and relax our minds through various forms of social media like movies, Facebook, or news. But this relaxation time doesn't really help us to deal with their negative behavior. The outside situation is the real reason behind our kids' anger. So they vent out their frustrations on us. Though the outside situations are beyond our control, we can deal with our kids' anger in these positive ways. Number 1, snuggle. During the break time, a small snuggle will do the magic. It will give you and your children the warmth and love that both of you need in these tough times. Number 2, water your plants together. This will be a fun time in the evenings and will refresh you much more than a movie can do. Number 3, click your funny pics with your children. Why not use gadgets to make you and your kids happy and release the unwanted anger? Anyways, kids keep looking for something new every day. I hope these 3 ideas will help you and your children become much more calm and happy. If you are using any other interesting ways to keep away your kids' anger, let us know too through your comments. Let us all learn together to be happy. My name is Deepti. Through my channel Journey of Positive Parenting, I have been sharing many useful ways by which we can raise our kids, make them listen to us, and help them become successful in their lives. And the best part is that we don't have to scold or hit them when we use these ways. If you also want to learn these ways of parenting, then come to my channel, and if you think that my videos are useful to you, then subscribe to it. Thank you and have a great day.